Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to fix Instagram phone number. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, open your Instagram application and click on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, click on the three lines which is at the top right corner. After that, click on account settings. After that, click on personal details option, which is under account settings. Now click on contact info and click on add new contact and select mobile number from here. So that is how you can add your phone number on Instagram. If you are not receiving verification code, you need to check for typos in your number. Ensure your phone has signal and SMS is enabled. Try using a different number or email. If your phone number is already in use, someone else might have used your number. Try recovering the account linked to that number. Reset your password using email instead, or you can also contact Instagram support. So that is how you can fix Instagram phone number issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.